Dreaming of owning a piece of paradise? The Treasured Horseshoe Property on Saba Island in the Caribbean Netherlands is now available. Located in Zion's Hill, this prime property is near Cove Bay and the tide pools. Enjoy open views of the blue ocean, towering Mount scenery, the shortest airport runway, and neighboring islands like St. Martin, St. Eustatius, St. Bart's, St. Kitts, and Nevis. The slightly sloped property connects to the main road, making it easy to build and develop your dream home. The neighborhood features many new dwellings, and each morning you'll be greeted by beautiful sunrises. With a great location and attractive pricing, your dream of owning land on Saba is now within reach. Don't miss this incredible opportunity.